Hey there, Supercoder! Today, we are going to create part 2 of our cat and mouse game. Let's first start with the cat hand code. We want our cat hand to glide back and forth, so first, grab the glide block and move the cat hand to the position you want. Then we glide the cat hand back and set the glide time to 1 second. Okay, perfect. Click these two blocks together, and now we get a proper smooth movement for the cat hand. If you want, we can add a small wait in between. So grab the wait block, change the time to 0.5 seconds, and click it. Okay, perfect. Now, the cat hand should only move when the rat is near. So grab an if condition and wrap the whole glide movement inside it. The condition will be if distance to mouse is less than 250, and you can change this value as per your need. Okay, cool. We want this to happen all the time, so wrap everything inside a forever loop, and don't forget to put when green flag clicked on top. Okay, perfect. Now, let's move our rat towards the cat hand and see. The cat is moving to catch the rat. You'll see it is hiding and staying still till now. If we have two cat hands, we just add the same code for the second hand, only changing the X and Y coordinates in the glide block. Okay, perfect. Now the cat is ready for action. Next, let's go to the coding area for the rat. What does the rat need to do when the cat hand touches it? It has to disappear. So we grab the hide block, click it, perfect, it hides, and the game stops. To make sure the game stops, we add the stop all block under the hide block. Okay, perfect. Now, the rat should disappear whenever it touches either cat hand. So add an if condition with the condition being touching hand 1 or hand 2. We need to check this continuously, so wrap the whole thing inside a forever loop. And don't forget to add when green flag clicked on top. But where is our rat at the start? We need to make it appear when the game begins, so add a show block under the green flag. Okay, cool. To make it more exciting, we can add a cool movement for the rat when it's not being caught. Grab the turn block and set the value to 3 degrees. Then put this block inside the forever loop with the green flag clicked on top. Click it. Okay, cool. Now, let's move to the cheese code. Go to the coding area for the cheese and grab an if block. The condition is if touching rat. When the rat touches the cheese, it hides, because the rat eats it, of course. We can add a small delay by placing a wait block of 1 second, and then grab a show block and place it under it. To make it more fun, we need to show the cheese in a different place. So grab a go to random position block and place it on top of the show block. Of course, we wrap this inside a forever loop and add when green flag clicked on top. Don't forget to place a show block right after the green flag, or else the cheese won't appear again. And that's it, Supercoder! Our cat and mouse game is now ready to play! I'll come up with another exciting game soon. Until then, happy coding, and bye!